Hi guys, Carsburg 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. This is our second and final one of the day. Now, of course, we have another Hot Wheels City 5-pack, our third Hot Wheels City 5-pack. And yeah, I had done two others before. I'll be sending links of both videos in the description below separately. And I already added a link to this one already. Which I will be doing when uploading this one. After the other one, I will be adding the link onto that one as well. Now, in the meantime, we're going to take a look at this one. There are some new cars here that I've never seen before. 5 castings that we do know so far. Anyway, here we go. Got it's out there. Just lift it over. Just need to get stuff out of there. Alright. That part is out. Now let's go look at the cards. And there's all 5 of them here. We're gonna start with Rescue Duty right here. In a new green color, and it's on yellow to it as well. And you see here, it says Reptile Rescue. It's designed to rescue reptiles. And some, well, you know what I mean. And for that, but also it's a lot of yellow and green colors on this one. Right here. Wow, you can see some clearance. On the back side as well. Very nice indeed. Alright. I'm gonna go right there. Get it? Okay. Oh, you guys know this one. Roadhog. I like the wheels that come with this one. Very nice. There's a lot of decals all over the place. And with some monster eyes and teeth. That's what we don't see every day on casting. The wheels, very nice with the orange color. There's actually a lot of orange in this one as well. On those engine and even so not a fan. How cool the engine down. Well, I think this Roadhog looks very nice. Alright, putting Roadhog away and get Fangster. Now, as we know, Fangster is one of the craziest fantasy castings ever. Because this one, as we know, is an alligator. With a V-shaped snout. Oh wait, it's crocodile. Crocodiles have V-shaped snouts. Now what Fangster is. Only this Fangster is different because it's purple and green. We got a trick on his wheels too. And yellow parts as well. And the teeth is chrome. So is the chassis. Nice. Alright. Alright, 2 more to go. Who's up next? Now here's let's do now He's known for his police badging, and there's police on the side. Even has flashes on top. Now, so it's a futuristic police car. And with a lot of stuff on there. Lots of fun. Yeah, we red. Even the interior we red. No hard to see though, but it's there. Nice though. Alright, Al. Yeah, and then the last one, we haven't seen this casting in a while. Oh. Yep, it's Redbox. Welcome back to the Hot Wheels lineup. Yeah, it's happened in quite some time since the last time. And released another color of Redbox. Lots of color in this one. Wheels are very nice. And take a look at it. It says Tackle Truck. Right on it, and it looks like they had to add as a wheel as paint on them. And you see, it's right-hand drive. Oh, you'll be able to see the inside in this one. Oh, that's probably an engine inside it. She's right in chrome. Sorry, that's chrome. Front is chrome too. Even the it's chrome. But overall, I just done that. No truck. Well, guys, what do you think? After my newest 5-pack, I might do a drag racing video with them as well. So stay tuned for that one, you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.